Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to put your Redmi A5 on silent mode. So to do this, you have just to go to your settings and after that scroll down until you find sound and vibration. Click on it. After that, scroll down until you find an option called silent mode. So to put your phone on silent mode, you have just to activate it. And like that, you have put your phone on silent mode. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.